Today I'm making cilantro lime rice. Cilantro lime rice tastes great, and with 3 of its 4 ingredients in its name, it's super simple to make. You can press the CC button to turn on subtitles, or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. I'm having some family over, so I'm making a double batch, but for a single batch of rice we're going to need 1 cup of jasmine rice, 2 cups of water, and about 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's start our rice off by pouring a little oil into a pot and getting it hot over high heat, before spilling our rice everywhere trying to get a nice shot. Smooth. Mix this around, making sure to coat every grain of rice in oil, and we don't want the rice to toast, but we want it to just barely start to change color from somewhat translucent to white. Once the rice starts to turn white and fragrant, add in your water and wait for it to come to a boil. As soon as the water begins to boil, give the rice a quick stir, just to try and prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Then turn the heat down low and simmer, covered for 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the water has been absorbed. Now turn off the heat and let it sit covered for 30 minutes. Letting the rice steam will help keep it nice and fluffy. To finish this rice up, get yourself 2 teaspoons of chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, and the juice of 1 lime. Let's go ahead and transfer our rice to another bowl to make mixing a bit easier. Add your salt to the lime juice and mix till dissolved. You can microwave this a few seconds to help expedite the process if needed. Once the salt has dissolved, we're going to take this mixture and pour it all over our rice, before mixing and fluffing with a fork. Using a fork really helps to keep the rice fluffy, rather than smashing and breaking the grains with a spoon. For this final step, let's add in our cilantro, and again, gently mix it in with a fork. That's it. That's all there is to this recipe. I love rice. It's a staple with any Mexican meal. Whether you make the red Mexican rice I've shown here before, or the cilantro lime rice, no Mexican meal is complete without it. Now let's see how we did. And it's perfect. It's fluffy and perfectly cooked. You can see and feel every individual grain of rice on your tongue. It has a bright citrusy punch that goes so well with the almost floral flavor of the jasmine rice. This is my go-to rice whenever I'm making anything with flour tortillas like burritos. It's a quick and easy rice to make that looks fantastic, with its fluffy white grains and the bright pop of green from the cilantro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. Regulars, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.